Cleveland to near Avon Point, 9 nautical miles northwest of Vermilion to 7 nautical miles northwest of Huron, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and small hail. Source, public. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Vermilion, Avon Point, Huron, Willowick, Lorraine Harbor, and Cleveland. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.
Waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta...
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for East Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia until 2 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Winchester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, including the following locations: Stevenson, Clear Brook, Alden, Cedar Hill, and Cedar Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Jackson, just all the This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore County, Carroll County, Cecil County, and Harford County, effective until 2:53 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north-central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Addison, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, and surrounding areas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Looked at recessions and he looked at bear markets over the last 100 years.
Live in the WBAP Weather Center, severe thunderstorm warnings are now being issued for portions of Collin, Denton, and Dallas counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County, southwestern Collin County, and northern Dallas County until 5 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over the Addison area, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southeastern Denton, southwestern Cullen, and northern Dallas County until 5. A severe thunderstorm is located over Addison, drifting south at 10 miles per hour. This storm may contain some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. County until 5. A severe thunderstorm is located over Addison, drifting south at 10 miles per hour. This storm may contain some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.